Hello everyone, I am Salieu Koroma, studying at Texila American University for my master's degree in public health, which has been an unforgettable experience that has transformed my view of healthcare. Texila American University has distinguished itself from others through its excellent academic standards created to meet global health challenges. The faculty is highly experienced, knowledgeable, and passionate about impacting healthcare knowledge into us, giving us the unique exposure to a wide range of healthcare topics. The courses are well structured, precisely planned, and tackle essential public health problems effectively. The curriculum for master's program covers everything from theoretical models of public health to practical hands-on approaches, giving a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter.